Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to create about the factor s minus 2. So to do about this one, we need to add about negative 2s. Later that we put about positive 2s. Next, I will put about negative number 4. Later that we need to add back about positive number 4. So we do about factorization in here. Similar for this one. 4 plus 1, you got about number 5. So this one divide by this one divide by this one. So we have s plus 2 plus 5 over s minus 2. The integration of s, we have s squared over 2. About number 2, we have 2s. About this one, we have 5 multiplied by ln of the absolute value of s minus 2. And we put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.